Hello, it's Kristen Darkenwald. Welcome to Social Media Traffic Secrets. And the first thing that we really need to cover is what I would say 95 to 99% of most marketers trying to use social media are doing wrong, and hopefully now you will not be one of those people doing this. And that is, people hop on social media, they think because it's free that it's, this golden goose, and then they just start shooting links all over the place. And I mean, pitching and contacting strangers with expecting people to just buy from a link. And this is the complete opposite way things work, and this is not what social media is about. If you understand social networking sites, that's what social media is, learning how to use these social media sites, the social networking sites, to generate leads and traffic back to your capture pages, your blogs, whatever you have going on. And so if you understand there in the name, social networking, people are hopping onto these sites to connect with other people. That is the core of social media. So if you miss this step and just think it's about shooting links all over the place, you are really never going to get anywhere. Maybe if you continue to do it, you might make a sale or two, but the chances of it really working, especially now that there's millions of people using these sites for business purposes, you're really never going to get much traction, and you're just going to be hurting yourself and your image. So number one is understanding that these sites are social in nature. They are very powerful if you do it the right way. There's pools of millions of people hanging out on Facebook, hanging out on Twitter, hanging out on YouTube. YouTube is a social networking site. It's the number 2 search engine in the world, but it is a social networking site. LinkedIn is a professional, more professional geared social networking site. Whatever new site comes up, Google Plus, these people are on there hanging out, and they're practically telling you through various ways, what their interests are. Health people tend to like, popular health chefs and that kind of stuff. They're broadcasting what they like, and they are targeted ways of finding your prospects using these sites because that's what they're telling you they like. But if you do things incorrectly, again, if you're just, going to go pitch people, it's not going to work. So understanding their social networking sites, social in nature, is very, very key to understanding and doing this correctly. So that's what I really wanted to start out and share with you, that this is what it's all about. Using these sites by, building your presence, creating content, which we're going to get to, really using these sites in a way to build relationships and drive traffic back to your capture pages and your blogs and whatever you have. But number one core message, do not go expecting to point links all over. This is about building relationships, building your presence, creating quality content, and then you're driving traffic back to your sources as a way then to capture and build your list, which we're going to get to. So number one, remember, this is about meeting and connecting and building relationships and building your presence, because these are social sites. Okay, so with that, I will see you in the next training.